Okay, we're going to look through quickly how to edit in PowerPoint or Google Slides. It's super simple. It is a little bit different than a PDF, but it's so simple. So this first slide is just some steps on how to. And in this particular file, you have different colors that will match your bins. So you've got a dark blue, green, orange, yellow, red, and then I just kind of had fun with these different backgrounds. I think they're pretty, and you can choose how you want to match it up. And then of course there's black and white, but I am going to go with I kind of like this green one, so I'm going to go with this one. And all you do is just click on where it says your text, and it's already centered for you, and I've chosen a pretty universal font, but you can change the font if you like, and I recommend that you keep it on bold just so that it's easier to see. So I'm going to just put in my first name, Anna, and Marco, and Lucas. And then easy enough, just duplicate this if you need, and you probably will need more than 3 kids' names. So duplicate and just go back over and put in the next names. I'll say all right, and that's it. And when you're ready, you just simply print and you're ready to go. So I'm gonna quickly print this up. And for now, I'm just going to take the one that I selected, and that's it. I hope you enjoy this file. This is your digital display board if you prefer to do it on your smartboard. So you've got these different colors. You've got blue, green, orange, yellow, red, and then kind of a fun little background with different colors. These are super cute. And they're all editable with the names. So we'll go back up to the, well, we're going to stick with the green one. So it's the same thing. You just click on the name and type in whatever you need. Juan, let's put Elena, and then just for sake of not boring anybody, if you only want 2 kids in each group, just delete those. You certainly don't have to have 3, but I put 3 just in case. Yeah, that's basically it. If you want to make this font bigger, I would click on the 2 at the same time and then just go up here and make the names bigger and switch out the font that you prefer to have, and that's it. Save it and you're done. If you accidentally like, let's just say by mistake you delete these, there's a couple things you can do. You can click on these, duplicate them, and put them up here, or you can just insert a new text box. So the way you do that is you just go here, insert, get the text box, and then just put them in there. And if you want them centered, then go ahead and go right here, home, and paragraph, and you choose this one for the center, and you got it. And just make sure you got the same font. So I think, let's see, there's that one. Yeah, these are the same fonts, and that's how you do it. And if you only let's say you just want to use this green one, set it all up and then put for when you're ready to use it in your classroom. You can just go ahead and put it as a slideshow. And let's see, current slide. So you're just going to go right here, and that's it. You have it nice and big. Kids can see everything. You've got all your groups. And if you don't use all 10 of the groups, that's fine. I would just delete the names, and it's pretty simple just like that. And that's it. I hope you enjoy this.